During the design phase for Twin Cities Orthopedics Performance Center, we needed to have the latest technology put into this building. Electronic Design was one of those companies that really stood out from the rest. They saw where we were trying to go, they put the design to paper, and most importantly, they executed it.
We are really focused on what a client is trying to accomplish. We aren't necessarily looking to get the biggest screen or the best speakers. We really want it to be perfectly fitted and designed so it does what they wanted it to do.
We take our relationship with clients very seriously, and especially one like the Vikings that has such a high visibility. There are a lot of systems here. We have corporate boardrooms, we have huddle rooms, we have an auditorium, we have indoor practice facility which has a lot of speakers and amplifiers in it, and then of course the outside stadium itself.
From an IPS perspective, I don't think a lot of people really recognize how difficult it is to play when you're a visiting team, right? That crowd gets extremely loud, and what EDC helped us do in here is create the ability to kind of reenact that, right? So we have crowd noise that we pump in here that can get really, really loud, which makes practicing in real life scenarios much easier. From a tech perspective, there's nothing that's stopping us from winning a Super Bowl.